welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about habits that keep you stuck and how to fix them. So a lot of people that I know like to have TV in the background just kind of like playing, just like white noise. Is that you? If that's you, comment down below, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know if you're the kind of person that likes to just have like white noise in the background. A lot of people fall asleep with the TV on. Now, I am going to recommend that you do not fall asleep with the TV on, nor should you keep the TV just running in the background. And here's why. If you have the TV on in the background and you're blow drying your hair, doing your hair, putting your makeup on, or you are, whatever, fixing breakfast, whatever, making your morning coffee, you have no control over what they're playing on the television, right? So if you have no control over what they're playing, all of the stuff that's happening in the background is implanting itself in your subconscious mind. And I've talked about the subconscious mind before. I'll put links to some of those videos down below. But your subconscious mind really is what's in control of all of your thoughts and beliefs and patterns of behavior. We think that it's on the conscious level, but it's really not. That's really what's driving it. And so if you have all of this constant background noise, let's say you're listening to the news, because a lot of people like to just have the news on because they want to hear the morning traffic or they want to hear the weather or whatever. Not only are you listening to the weather or the traffic, but you're also listening to the bank that got shot up last night and the robbery that happened on the corner, and how whatever the politics, this is happening in the world and somebody got bombed over there, and so you're also hearing a lot of the negativity, and that stuff is being implanted in your subconscious mind, causing a lot of fear, a lot of anxiety. So it's no wonder why we live in a society where people are more anxious than ever. I think it's just because we're feeding ourselves, we're feeding our subconscious things that are not helpful towards us moving forward. So here's my suggestion on how to fix that. One, don't just blindly listen to anything, right? So I don't ever have the TV just playing in my house. I don't ever just have anything playing in my house. I actually prefer silence, but when I am listening to something, I am being intentional about the thing that I'm listening to or the thing that I am exposing myself to, and I'm controlling the narrative, right? So I may listen to an ebook, I may listen to a podcast. If I do want some background noise, at least I'm gonna utilize that to feed my spirit, to feed my mindset, something that's really gonna help me move forward. So I'm not just gonna play background noise for the sake of playing background noise, okay? So try this out for a month or so and see if your emotions change. See if you start to function differently. I do recommend Subliminal Messages. If anything, I have some links for free subliminals down below. If you wanna click on those, you can get 2 free subliminal messages that are really teaching you on the subconscious level how to think differently, how to think like a millionaire, how to think like a wealthy person, how to operate as a successful person, right? So you can listen to all of that, and it's covered over music, so it's whatever kind of music you like, acoustic music, it can be raindrops, whatever the case is. If you need some background noise, there are things that are available to you that can feed your spirit and feed your mindset in a different way than just listening to the news that's telling you about all the bad stuff that's happening in the world. Same thing if you're going to sleep, falling asleep with the TV on. When you're sleeping, that's the time where your brain is operating at its highest capacity. It is now filtering everything that you've heard all throughout the day and trying to make some sense of it. So you're dreaming, your beta waves have now turned to alpha waves and theta waves and delta waves and gamma waves because it's moving into a space of unconsciousness or subconsciousness to try and process all of the millions and billions of bits of information that you've picked up throughout the day. So if you're listening to something on the TV and a commercial comes on that talks about how fat you are, right? And why you need to buy this product because you're so overweight, even though you're sleeping, your brain is listening to that. It's teaching it something that you don't want it to teach it. You know what I'm saying? So don't keep the TV on, right? If you need to listen to something, listen to an ebook, listen to a podcast, listen to something that's going to help you move forward, not something that's going to give you negative feelings and hold you back, right? So the habit that's keeping you stuck is you are brainwashing yourself with all of the negativity by just keeping white noise on in the background. So my suggestion is to, if you need something in the background, be intentional about it, right? Control that narrative and choose things that are going to feed you and help move you into the next space versus keeping you stuck in the same one. That's it, guys. I will talk to you next time. Take care.